Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to make your own skin. I will write something in the, this is just an example, in this info box, so it will be easier for you. First go to, yes, I got many shit open, I'm sorry to that. Go to MSG plus live dot or MSN or what you got. I'm from Denmark, so it's DK for me, and go and search Dragon. Now I can see Dragon Live. Go get it and download it. I already downloaded it. Then you have to install it, and after you installed it, go find your MSN Plus. Mine is under C programs. Let's go into it and go under skins. Here you can see it. Go under images and find this one. This is the, wait, I'm gonna log on. You see, oh, so many shit. This is the background. That's the same background as this one. So now I'm gonna get something else. Let's see. I want, cause I like Assassin's Creed, I want this one to be the background. Then I put it in here. Remember this number. Delete it. And make a new name for that. I think it was 000. Okay, that's it. Then go into this one and press and find the new pic you want to 2 seconds. Why do I get that? To this, for this. Then find another one for that. Let's do this. Okay, that's one. Let me see. I want this. It's cool. Okay, put it in, and then delete this one. Make new name. There, and enter. I don't want to do it with the rest, cause you got the point now. Okay. Exit. Yes, I want exit. Okay. Let's start it up again. Just wait. And voila! You got your brand new background. Let's see if it works inside. Oh, it does. Nice. Okay, well, enjoy.